Your heart is welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you papad. Papad, take 2 tablespoon gram flour, add pinch of salt, add little bit of water, make a medium dough. Don't make a more soft or hard, and medium dough for papad. Do like this, just like absolutely perfect papad dough. Grease some oil and divide 4 pieces. Take an wooden roller and make like this, long, round. You can make any type of shape. Papad is very tasty snacks. It is absolutely amazing for rainy season with khichdi and chai. You can eat anytime. You can take it with pickle. It is very tasty and light snacks. So very simple recipe I shared with you. I hope you will like it and you will watch my video. If you like gram flour, if you like papad, then don't forget to watch my video like this, crispy and crunchy, spicy and plain papad. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.